Toyota has added a Woodland Edition model to the Sienna lineup for 2022. It comes standard with all-wheel drive and sports a 0.6-inch lift kit to give it better ground clearance. The Woodland Edition also includes a suite of accessories intended to make life easier for adventurous buyers, including a roof rack, a tow hitch, and a 1,500 watt power outlet. The EPA estimates that front-wheel drive versions of the Sienna should deliver 36 mpg city, as well as 36 mpg highway, with all-wheel drive examples carrying ratings 1 mpg lower at 35 mpg. In our mix of city and highway driving, we managed 29 mpg with our all-wheel drive Platinum test vehicle. Toyota offers blind spot monitoring, and its Safety Sense 2.0 bundle of driver assistance features standard on the new Sienna. While convenience items such as parking sensors, and a 360-degree exterior camera system are optional. Limited warranty covers 3 years or 36,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. Hybrid component warranty covers 8 years or 100,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 2 years or 25,000 miles. Complementing its daring exterior redesign, the Sienna's interior is modern and stylish, rather than the open cockpit design of the previous generation model. Toyota has created a tall center console that spans the distance from the dashboard to the center armrest, with a large storage cubby underneath. Upscale Limited and Platinum models have two-tone interior trim and dashboards covered in stitched leather-like material, while the sporty XLE model gets black and white faux leather seats with red contrast stitching. Unlike the Odyssey and the Pacifica Hybrid, the Sienna's second-row seats are not removable, however. The optional second-row captain's chairs can slide forward and back a total of 25 inches to help provide maximum legroom for rear seat riders, or to open as much room as possible aft of the second row for cargo. Limited and Platinum models can be had with reclining second-row seats, with pop-up ottomans. The two top trims can also be equipped with an onboard vacuum cleaner. is offered exclusively as a hybrid. The powertrain consists of a 2.5-liter gasoline-powered 4-cylinder engine, and a pair of electric motors that combine to make 243 horsepower. All-wheel drive is available, and adds a third electric motor in back that drives the rear wheels. Sienna Platinum failed to excite us during acceleration testing, requiring 7.7 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour, and completing the quarter mile in 15.8 seconds at only 88 miles per hour. These results are similar to what the Pacifica Hybrid managed, but are far slower than non-hybrid examples of the Pacifica we've tested as well as the Honda Odyssey.